Vegas. Unexpected. But we got Elite Tuner tomorrow. Gonna go out tonight. So be expecting for me to look busted. Ooh. All right, anyway, holla at you. You're not gonna see all the festivities that I'm doing tonight because you don't need to. PG-13, hello? But what's happening tomorrow? Indeed. Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Started with 4. We rolling. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. That was really negative. That was the one is going to Elite Tuner. Going to probably get some footage from the cab. Should be interesting. Peace. Only in Vegas. Guess what happened? That's right, you guessed it. Oh yeah.
Ted out.
Yeah. She's awake. Look at her putting her face together. She's happy. Boom. So it went from 3 to 4. Oh my God, we're back. We're whole again. Hey, watch this. Ready? Say hi.
Hi.
Cool. I guarantee her sister is gonna say something nice, pleasant, and so positive. Watch this. Say something nice.
Hi, I hope you have a great evening today.
Oh,
Get the fuck out of my face, dog.
I told you, she's so positive. Yeah. Look at her face. The event goes from 3 to 9. It's 7:50. So I have to get in there with about an hour or less and get what I can get and shoot it to you guys. Dumbass. I said dumbass.
I got my own dog. Get the fuck out of here.
Hey, she's so positive. Swear.
Fucking lift, bro. Where are we walking?
Right here. We're going right here.
Yes, sir. Guys, get a cab?
Thank you for putting the seat back. But I'm still big. So we're going to the convention center, and let me specify what side we're going to.
South or Southall?
At the convention center, there's so many parts. We got dropped off in the south side. There's a convention going on, but there's no cars. What we're doing right now, walking the mile. Hey, anybody that has negative comments, go to her Instagram. Hit that up. Yeah, right.
Stupid.
Okay, cool. Here's it.
I know.
If you want her to lose her job, no. All right, found where we're supposed to go. Cab driver totally passed where we're going, but it's not his fault. You know what I mean? But check that out. You can see it. That's the ball. No matter where you're at in Vegas, you can always see that. So right now they're doing all the judging, all the awards, placement, everything like that. So I'm gonna go in, check it out, and see what's up. So holla, watch this. Gotta have both. However you build your car to your own, but to me, speed and beat. Hey, over here at the car show, I saw two stupid ass. Matter of fact,
Where's that bitch at? Where's she at?
1, 2. Rolling on 22s. You see it. You see it.
That's right.
You know what I mean? Hey,
Independent suspension,
boom.
independent differential, everything.
Hey,
Upholstery,
customized cup holders.
back belly.
You don't see that everywhere. Yeah. You know what I mean? Hey, you see the two-tone? You got the black and the pink. You don't get that everywhere. You know what I mean? Damn. Hey, what? Let me ask you a question. What inspired you to do this? What's your motivation behind it?
Storage space and versatility.
Got you.
All day.
See, and what's funny
All
is,
day.
here's this. You guys think that this is for the baby? No. The baby's in the car. The baby's in the car. He had to pay for his own ticket just for this. Everybody pays for the cars. He had to pay just for this. Dope event, a lot of cars. Vegas came out. But with all these different events, with everything going on, none of this would happen. With the convention center, none of this would happen without this man right here. Without, you know what I mean?
How y'all doing?
We appreciate your work, man. You know what I'm saying?
Thank you.
Like all day. See, he tries to be humble, you know what I mean? But he's been making a lot of phone calls, text messages, emails. Hey, he's just been using a typewriter. Throwback. Keep it OG. Thank you
sir.
for making this happen.
Yes, sir.
Most definitely. Yeah. But here's this. Hey, there is a vehicle here that couldn't even make it into the show just because it's worth too much money. You know what I mean? So they did it exactly. See, and a lot of people passed up on it because they don't even know what they're looking at. Look at this. Look at this. Hey, rolling on 8s. You ain't seen that. You ain't seen that. Over here, we don't need license plates. It's wild out here, man. I don't even know how they got it out here, man. Look at the headlights, man. Look at that. Vicious. All right. Elite Tuner, Vegas Convention Center. We out. So now what we're gonna do is some adult things. We're about to go have fun.
Hey.
Oh my God, so much energy. So much.
Food in my system.
So now what we do is have fun. They can't even contain themselves. And look, ready? We ain't got no ride. Like, can you give us a ride? No? See, can nobody
Oh, I can. Oh, no.
help us out with anything?
I got it.
On our way back, yo, best cab driver ever right here.
Lift.
Look at that. Lift. Hey, dude, no disrespect. You know what I mean? Hey, for all the females out there, follow him. Hey, it's the Persian George Clooney.
Yeah.
Handsome as fuck. Yeah. You know what I mean? Hey, we got a handsome dude, and 2 uglies in the back. You know what I mean? Frank, I fuck with you. You my boy. You know what I mean? Yeah. Oh, dude. Hey, he already got followers. Look at that. He already got groupies.
Okay.
Hey, like I said, man, best driver ever, right here.
Thank you, man.
Hey, you got an Instagram?
Yeah.
What's your Instagram? Go ahead and say it.
Hamed_Garage for my Instagram.
Boom.
Yeah.
Hey,
Thank you.
follow him.
Yeah.
Dope guy. Hey, look, handsome. Hey, Persian George Clooney. All right, just finished having dinner. Everything's good. On the way back to the hotel, get dressed, continue. Look how beautiful this tree is. It's hard. I love that. Here's another thing too. All you people out there, people that just came across my channel, I guarantee this. You ain't never sucked dick like this. Look at the technique. Look at the fucking technique, son. Okay, so ran into my boy, elementary school, junior high, high school, and after that, you know what I'm saying? My boy, Mr. Wilson in the flesh. So not only do we got my childhood homie, but this is Stephanie right here, which is Frank's sister, represent. And then we got my, we're making her, it's the last night of Vegas, we're making her go out, so. Yeah, see how positive she is? All day, all night. We are done, success. Leaving Vegas, everybody's happy. Look at them. And we got Queen positive. Say something positive.
Fucking big.
Hey, yeah, I don't know. She was born that way. So much energy and just love. You feel it just coming straight through the screen. But we're gonna make it home safe, and I'll tap in with you guys on the Import Life Media. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you add me on Instagram at IG, Import Life Media. Holla, it's your boy. Look. A bunch of big drums.